Hey guys, well, I'm Shugen, and my last video I made for you guys was a quick case study about putting myself in the shoes of a beginner because I'm always going to be putting myself in the shoes of a beginner. And yeah, but anyways, let's get to the point. So today's video is going to be about, so I made an additional two more cells. That's total three cells, right? So in the last 3 weeks, I've made three cells. The total revenue was $5,000, and the profit from that was $2,000. So 40% of 5,000 is 2,000, right? So I made $2,000 in the last 3 weeks. And how did I do that? Well, I was actually following the strategies of what my mentor was teaching me. And this is my case study, like I said. So this is case study number 2. And I have to say, no, it is not luck. It isn't like based on like hoping. If you're willing to do the works, stay consistent, you will make results just like myself. So I want to show you guys how my profile first, because we're just basically using Facebook as my as our strategies, and we're using it to basically post. And people really think that it's all about likes, comments, engagement on your Facebook, but no, it really isn't. It really is about posting, but it isn't about the engagement on the likes and the comments, whatever. It's based on how genuine you want to put yourself out there, and how to react back to your leads. And a lot of people that are because let me show you guys something real quick. Okay? So I joined the program around I think, dang, it was like August something, I think. Yeah, August something. August, September. Okay, let's go back in time. Let's go back in time. Okay. Yes, yes. But sometime in August, I joined, right? Trying to check. Okay. So as you can see, my profile around July, I wasn't really that active. I post here and there, but I wasn't following the strategies that was implemented inside the um, course where it was teaching you how to post 5 different types of posts, which I was kind of confused at first because when you first start off, the hardest part is probably learning how to create content. And learning how to create content is hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was hard at first when I first started, but the more consistent you stay and the more you actually interact with your leads, it just something inside your mind just starts to build up. Like, see, when I first started, I was just writing a whole bunch of things that I saw other people writing, but I reworded myself. Thing is, when you write stuff, you want to learn how to rewrite it in your own words, not still it word for word. Okay. And yeah, just simple stuff like this was like, I got like 1, 2, 3 likes, and people were just like, at first, like I said, it was very discouraging because sometimes I write like this and no one reacts to it. But the thing is that people are always watching you. They're always watching. Someone's always watching you, and then eventually it just starts to build up. Like, I'm not gonna say like I gotta get like a hundreds of 50 thousands plus engagement on my profile, and that's not the point of learning how to do high ticket sales with your Facebook. The point of it is learning how to post using those proven strategies and learning how to engage with your leads properly, and being the authority of teaching people how to make money online. And yeah, that's really about it. Like, that's the honest truth, how I made 3 sales um in the last 3 weeks that add up to $5,000 in the sales with $2,000 profit. Okay. And I did it with maybe talking maybe on to like maybe you could say close to maybe, maybe like 40, 45 people in the last 3 weeks. Okay. So let's do the math. Okay. So if you could talk to, let's say 5 or maybe 10 people per day, and first it's gonna get kind of confusing how to know who is a good person to talk to. But the more you talk to people, you just skill inside of conversations and learn how to talk to people just starts to build up. That's the honest truth. Okay. I can't tell you that use this exact script word for word for every person out there. Otherwise, it's gonna close you every cell. I can't tell you that because every conversation has so many angles to where some people ghost you, some people are gonna give you negative responses, which is pretty rare, but it will happen. Some people will be very open and very happy that you outreach to them. Those are the type of people that you want to talk to, and you have to understand how our strategy works, which we do in our trainings. And we also provide our trainings inside our Facebook group, which will also be provided in our link below. And we also be providing our 5-day challenge, how you can make your first high ticket sell in the next 5 days. Okay. And then, yeah, the strategies work. Like I said, this is like another case study, like I said. And yeah, so I talked about like say 34 people. And then in the last 2 weeks, I got 13 people interested. They didn't buy, they were interested, right? So that's 13 people, and 3 people bought. So 3 divided by 13 is 23% conversion rate. That is a high conversion rate. Can you imagine if I got maybe 50 people interested inside and that want to learn how to do this? That would have been so much more money. And yeah, that's a secret of what I'm doing right now. And people are mind blown because they're like, how did you get 23% conversion rate? That's so mind blowing. I'm like, I know it is mind blowing. And yeah, this is like, I'm pretty mind blown myself because, you know, I'm always gonna put myself in like how people begin because, it's not about the money. It's about what you can do to show someone the next step, helping them actually gain those results, whether it's being consistent, learning how to close, or just helping them. Like that's all it really is. But I hope you guys enjoy this case study. You have any questions, you want to reach out to me, you got questions about how to start, feel free to leave them in the comments. Feel free to message me, and I'll gladly be happy to get back to you guys. Okay, you guys success.